Hi everybody, welcome to week 16. We made it. So this is just your week 16 overview. So we are wrapping up our partner exchange assignment and we are moving into final exams. So that's kind of the two things we're juggling this week. Keep in mind that I did make a change to the partner email project, so you are now submitting separately. So partner 1 has an assignment link that they're submitting to, and partner 2 has an assignment link that they're submitting to. So make sure you submit properly. So this week you are working on your peer review. So you are going to meet with your partner and you guys are going to exchange your emails, and then you just have a few questions here in step 7 that you're going to answer. So just make sure you follow all the steps and then answer those questions to kind of peer review each other's emails and make sure that they are looking good. After that, you're welcome to then go and submit to the correct assignment links. Kind of moving into the rest of the week, you do have your reflection assignment where you're going to do your final reflection on this project, very similar to all of our other reflections this semester. We then have our final exam study guide, and this just has a worksheet that has a series of questions. All of the answers you can find by looking at the course content. So going back to your MLA in minutes readings, going back to any of the readings I attached throughout the semester, going back to those lectures from the beginning of the semester on the Toulmin model and essay structure. So that's where you're going to find all the answers for it. And this will help you. The final exam is open for a 3-day window, and it is open note and not timed, so you can use the study guide to help complete the final exam. The other thing that we have this week is back when we did our scholarship essay, you had an extra credit opportunity. If you applied for any scholarship, you can get 30 points of extra credit. That remains open until December 9th. So if you want to go and look for a scholarship, you're in need of some last minute extra credit in my class, you can go and apply for any scholarship, submit the proof that you applied, and get those points still. So know that that is still open. And then the last item that we have is your anonymous chorus reflection, which is just kind of a survey to help me get some feedback on the class. So those are kind of some of your major projects. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email, and great job and good luck finishing out the rest of this semester. Thank you.